What's up guys, Tony here from Drive Protected. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to mix your PPF solutions in 2025. There's 3 different solutions that you need to do a successful PPF install. And those 3 solutions are Surface Prep, Slip Solution, and Tack Solution. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start by talking about our Surface Prep solution, which is a isopropyl alcohol. You want to use a 70 to 90% isopropyl alcohol. You can buy this at your local pharmacy. So take this, you can either just dump a little bit on a rag, and this is used for all your flat surface, edges, and valleys to prep them for your install. So we'll go ahead and set that aside. You can also put this into a spray bottle if you'd rather do that. Next, we're going to talk about our slip solution. We're talking about these in order as how you'll use them. All right, so our slip solution is going to be 32 ounces of distilled water with 2 pumps of J&J baby shampoo. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that right here. We're gonna grab, see how much of a mess I can make while doing this. So we're just gonna fill this all the way up to the top, to the fill line, which is 32 ounces. Right there. Set the water aside, and we're gonna take and do 2 pumps. Totally went to the side. 1, 2. The one on the side doesn't count. So there we go, we got 2 pumps. If you wanna get really scientific with this, you can go ahead and get a syringe and up to that red line that I have here, which is 2.5 mLs on a syringe. So we'll go ahead and close that up and just give that a good shake. Now your slip solution is ready. Next is your Tack Solution. For Tack Solution, use hot distilled water, as hot as you can handle it while holding it. That is the best we have found for Tack Solution, is just hot distilled water. Now, if you need a Tack Solution with a little bit more bite, you can go ahead and add a 10% isopropyl alcohol. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. I'll show you guys what that looks like. Right there, that is about 3.5 ounces. And then fill the rest up with your distilled water. And we'll go ahead and close that up and just give that a shake. So those are the 3 solutions you need to have a successful DIY or professional PPF install. Hope this video was informative and helpful for you guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next video.